In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the form interaction type. This interaction type allows you to create a dynamic form and collect responses from participants. Instructors can embed multiple forms in a video. For each form instance, instructors can view both tabulated responses and individual responses. The form interaction type also supports the file upload element, allowing instructors to collect file submissions, which can be downloaded in bulk. Without further ado, let's first look at how to add a form. Like other interaction types, first select a location on the video. Click Add, select Form, enter the title of your form. If you want, you can set a due date after which the form is locked. Check this option if you want to allow participants to edit their responses before the due date. Choose a completion tracking option. By default, the interaction is marked complete automatically when the form is submitted. Optionally, you can set the XP. In the advanced settings, you have the option to select a chart type between Google Charts and Chart.js. The Google Charts option requires online access, so if your Moodle instance is in an offline environment, select Chart.js, which is the default chart library in Moodle. Click Save Changes. To start building your form, click on the form title. At the top, you'll see the form elements. Let's start by adding a description. For a description, we can use the HTML element. Set a label. Enter the description here. Besides text, you can add media elements as well. All form elements are shown on the left, and the form preview is shown on the right. To edit an element, click the pen icon here. Click here to duplicate the element and here to delete the element. Let's add a form section. To do that, we're using the heading element. Set the title of the section in the label field. Here, you can optionally specify a description or instructions. Click Save to add the element. To add an element inside a section, first make sure the section is selected. Let's add a text input field for the first name. Set the label. Check this box to make it required. For the short text field, you can set a default value, a placeholder, min and max characters, and a regular expression. For example, to ensure the name starts with an uppercase letter and only includes letters and a few symbols. Specify the message that appears when validation fails. Click Save to add. Since the last name is similar to the first name, you can simply duplicate the first name field and change the label. You can rearrange the fields by dragging and dropping them into the desired position, even outside the form section. Now, let's add a gender field using the multiple choice element. Enter the key in the first box and the display value in the second. You can select a default value. Click Save. Let's add another field, Interests. Since we want respondents to select exactly 3 items, we can set the minimum and maximum numbers here. Click Save to add. Let's learn how to add a conditional field. For example, I want the respondent to elaborate on their interest in e-learning technologies if they select it. Let's add a paragraph element. Here in the hiding conditions, you can set up to 3 conditions. Choose a dependent field. Select an operator. For equal to or not equal to, specify the exact value. Checked and unchecked are used for checkbox fields. You can specify multiple keys separated by the pipe symbol. For any, you can specify multiple values separated by the pipe symbol, and if one of the values matches, the field is hidden. Finally, let's add a file upload field. Click Save and Close to complete the form. Let's test the form by filling it out. On the report page, you can view individual submissions or see all responses in a data table. Click here to view an individual submission. Click here to print the response. And here to download attachments for this submission. For some questions, you can click the chart icon to view summary charts. For the file upload question, you can download all attachments with a single click. And that's it. You now know how to create, customize, and manage form interactions in your video. Thanks for watching.